Hi guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share.
Job interview
Thank you.
in English. Do you have an English job interview soon? If English isn't your first language, interviewing can be very stressful and difficult. In today's lesson, we'll be giving you all the do's and don'ts you'll need for your next job interview, as well as common English job interview questions and tips to answer them well. By following these tips and tricks, you'll learn important keys that will help you land the job. What are you doing? Just reading a book. You seem so happy today. What happened? I just received an interview email for the marketing intern position. Congratulations! What company is that? ICY Media Company. Is it a top media company? Yes, it is my dream company. I'm a bit worried. This is the first time I have an interview. I don't know what I need to prepare. Don't worry. I will give you some advice about the interview. Oh, I forgot. You've been in HR for 4 years, right? That's correct. Let's go to your room and turn on the computer. I will tell you what you need to do to prepare and pay attention to for the interview. Okay. The first step is to introduce yourself. It is the most important step to impress the employer. Now imagine I am an interviewer and you will answer my questions. Tell me about yourself. My name is John Anderson. I'm 22 years old. Sorry, I don't know what to say. That's okay. Right now is just practice, but when you interview, you can't answer uncertainly like this. When you introduce yourself, you need to introduce your name, age, the university you have attended, and the orientation of yourself. What do you mean when you say the orientation of myself? Orientation of yourself means what your career goals are in the future. You can tell employers what you're passionate about and why. Oh, I see. What they want to know about is my orientation at work. Can you wait a moment for me to take notes? Sure, take your time. Okay, what's next? The next question they may ask is, why are you applying for this position? How would you answer this question? Because I really like this job. This is my dream job, and the salary is pretty high. No, you shouldn't answer like that. You should avoid the answer like, I just really need a job, or I need money. Why is that so? Because when the employer asks this question, what they really want to know is how much you know about their company, how this role fits into your career plan. So how should I answer? You need to spend time researching the company and select a few key factors to incorporate into your answer to demonstrate that you are a good fit. Let them know that their values are aligned with your values. Extremely useful. Thank you for letting me know. You're welcome. And the other most common question the employer will ask you in a job interview is, why are you a good fit for this position? I think because my major was marketing, quite suitable for this position. To answer this question, you should talk about your work experience. But I haven't worked anywhere. What can I put on experience? You can talk about the experiences and activities you've had at university related to this job. Is it okay to say that? The employer asks this question because they want to make sure that you can do the job. As long as you show that you have skills qualified for the job, that would be fine. Okay. I'll keep this in mind. What else? In most job interviews, candidates will be asked to describe their strengths and weaknesses. Let's think about that. What are your strengths and weaknesses? How should I answer the question? Your strengths and weaknesses should reflect the requirements of the job. The strengths are the opportunity for you to express more about yourself. And weaknesses are areas you need to improve on. But don't let your weaknesses sound like they will impede your performance. So that's how it is. Now I know how to answer those questions. Thanks for your advice. You have saved my life. You're welcome. These are some common questions you often answer when interviewing. To have a better answer, you should carefully research the company and the job position you apply for. The most important thing is to show the employer your good attitude and confidence when interviewing. I have noted carefully and feel more confident now. Thank you so much. Good luck with the interview. Just do your best. Please come in. You've come so early. Yes, I didn't want to be late. Take a seat, please. Thanks. Here's my resume. Let me introduce myself. My name is Simon Evans. I am the recruiting team leader of ICY Media Company. I will be your interviewer today. Tell me about yourself. My name is John Anderson. I'm 22 years old. I just graduated from the University of Georgia. My major was marketing. My goal is to grow as a marketing analyst. How did you hear about this job? I've known the company for a long time and always follow events on the company's website. Incidentally, I saw the recruitment information for the internship position. This position doesn't require too much professional experience. In addition, this is also my field, so I decided to apply for this position. What do you think are your strengths and weaknesses? I consider my time management to be one of my greatest strengths by far. During my senior year, I managed to maintain a 3.7 GPA, while at the same time doing a lot of different activities at university. Specifically, I volunteered, was part of the student council, and part of the managing team of the design marketing club. What are your weaknesses? I think my weakness is that I tend to be overly critical of myself. When I complete a project, I always feel that I could have done better, even though the response I receive is positive. This often leads me to overwork myself and leaves me feeling burned out. I recognize this weakness, and over the past few years, I have been actively working to improve that. Why do you think you are suitable for this job? I am confident that I am a good fit for this position for several reasons, but most specifically because of my dedication to going above and beyond in a job. I am committed to learning any new skills on my own to succeed in this role. I know that you are seeking a self-motivated individual for this job, and I am that candidate. After hearing your presentation and reviewing your resume, we think that your answers are pretty good. We will discuss and let you know our decision later. Do you have any questions for me? When will I get the results of the interview? Results will be notified via your email within a week. If I pass, when will I start working? If you pass, you will start work next week. Thank you. Violet, I just received the offer letter from the company.
Congratulations! Is it the company that you interviewed the other day?
Yes, I'm very happy. This is my dream job, all thanks to your help.
I knew you could do it. When will you start working?
I will start working and training next Monday.
Great! Keep on trying.
I will.
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget like, share, subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you.